Okay, good morning. Our topic for this session is all about physical fitness and exercise. Our goal for today are each learner will understand the meaning of physical fitness and five fitness indicators. Second, students will gain knowledge of ITT safety. That's FIT abbreviation. Number three, students will recognize the two types of exercises. We have aerobic and anaerobic exercises. And lastly, individuals will develop an understanding of other health indicators. Examples are body composition, resting heart rate, and blood pressure. Let's get started. So for physical fitness, it is the ability to perform daily tasks vigorously and alertly with energy left for enjoying leisure time activities and meeting the demands of life. So if you are physically fit, you can do exercises without needing to rest instantly. So you can do jogging and biking, and after that, you can continue your life activities like going to school. So we have five fitness indicators. If you have completed these indicators or you are excellent in these indicators, it means that you are physically fit. So what are these? Number one, we have cardiovascular endurance. So cardiovascular endurance is about the endurance of your heart and lungs. So the efficiency the efficiency in which the body delivers oxygen and nutrients needed for muscular activity because your heart pumps blood all over your body, and so the blood carries oxygen throughout your body. Next, muscular strength. Number two, if you are if you have muscular strength, excellent muscular strength, you can carry objects or heavy objects without needing the help of others. Number three, muscular endurance. It's about endurance of your muscles. When you carry things, cannot uh, um, you cannot feel the fatigue of your arms. Okay. For example, you are carrying your book while reading. You can carry your book for a longer period of time. That's muscular endurance. Number four, if you have flexibility, you can bend your joints freely without feeling pain from your joints. That's flexibility. And your body composition, are you obese or not? So the normal body composition of a physically fit person, it's not full of fat. So they are not fat. They are physically fit. Next, for the abbreviation FITT, that means frequency, intensity, time, and type. So that's a successful training program for your exercise. How frequent you are exercising daily or regularly, intensity, time, and type. So the intensity, are you doing intense workout? For the time, how long are you doing the exercise? And the type is the types of exercise that you are doing. So for frequency, a person should work out 3 to 5 times a week. That's the regular um, schedule for exercising 3 to 5 times. The intensity, it represents the degree of effort that an individual would train. So for students like you could exercise not too much, not putting too much weight on your body. So yeah, you can you can lift weight for up to 1 kilogram. That's enough for at your age. So do not strain your muscles too much. So that's for intensity, how intense you are exercising. So next, training heart rate. Are you training your heart? So if you are doing sports activities, your heart tends to uh, have stronger muscles. You cannot feel fatigue, or you are not prone to heart uh, heart diseases or heart conditions. So you are healthy. So for T, the first T, time or duration, are you exercising more than 30 minutes or 5 minutes? So an individual should exercise 30 minutes or longer to improve upon and maintain cardiovascular improvements. 15 minutes is the minimal time for cardiovascular exercise. Now we will move on to the types of exercises. We have two types, aerobic and anaerobic. So for aerobic exercises, those exercises include running and jogging. So for anaerobic exercises, that includes weightlifting and sports. For aerobic exercises, those exercises uh, that in, that do not include heavy equipments. Yeah. No equipments at all. So just yourself and the road or the pool. So the examples are jogging, swimming, cross country skiing, jumping rope, biking, aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise requires you to move across from distance. And anaerobic exercises, lifting weights, playing sports activities, basketball, volleyball, tennis, softball, and football. So the most effective workout is a combination of both aerobic and anaerobic. So for sports activity, it allows for self-expression, supports fitness, and creates friends and confidence. That's why we need to play sports to create friends and gain confidence. So for health assessments, to assess if you are uh, physically fit, you need to assess your body composition. So for the boys, only 16% of body fat is needed. For the girls, you only have to gain 20% body fat. For your blood pressure, the average blood pressure, the normal blood pressure is 120 over 180. Systolic, diastolic. The resting heart rate is your heart rate when you are sitting down or resting. An athlete's resting heart rate would be lower than 50, but the average resting heart rate would be in the 70s. So you will count your heart rate like this, or you can count your heart rate from your artery area here in your neck. If you can feel the pumping, that's your heartbeat. And then you may want to get a watch or stopwatch and count up to 1 minute, 60 seconds. So look at a watch while counting your heart rate. That's resting heart rate. So for your workout regimen, it's up to you what kind of workout you are going to do. So your fitness workout should include something from each of the fitness indicators. Okay. So if you want to um, retain the knowledge or strengthen your knowledge for this lesson, you may want to answer these questions. So what are the five components of fitness? What is FITT? What are the two types of exercises? And give five examples of exercises. You may want to pause this video for a couple of minutes, and then you may pick the answers from these words from the word bank. Okay. If you are done answering, thank you for your participation and thank you for listening. Until we meet next time, thank you.